everyone! Welcome back to WarTech Vanguard. Imagine a weapon so powerful that a single launch could travel across continents, cross oceans, and strike targets on the opposite side of the planet within minutes. A missile so massive that it weighs more than 200 tons and carries multiple nuclear warheads capable of hitting several cities at the same time. Today we are diving into one of the most terrifying and technologically advanced strategic weapons ever built, the RS-28 Sarmat, Russia's next-generation super-heavy intercontinental ballistic missile, often called one of the most powerful nuclear delivery systems in the world. With a range reaching about 18,000 kilometers, this missile is designed to reach virtually any point on Earth, making it a central piece of Russia's strategic nuclear deterrence. By the end of this video, you will understand why this missile is considered a game-changer in global military technology, and why defense experts across the world are watching it closely. When we talk about the exterior of the Sarmat missile, we are not just looking at a rocket. We are looking at a massive engineering structure built for strategic warfare. The missile is around 35 meters long and about 3 meters in diameter, making it roughly the size of a 10-story building standing upright. Its launch weight is approximately 208 tons, placing it among the heaviest intercontinental ballistic missiles ever developed. The body of the missile is built with lightweight but extremely strong metal alloys and composite materials that reduce radar visibility while maintaining structural strength during launch and flight. Unlike mobile missile systems mounted on trucks or submarines, this missile is primarily deployed in reinforced underground silos. These hardened silos are designed to survive enemy attacks and protect the missile until launch. When the launch command is given, the missile is ejected from the silo using a cold launch system before its engines ignite, allowing the rocket to safely clear the silo before the main propulsion system activates. Now let's briefly look inside this massive weapon system. Inside the missile is a multi-stage rocket configuration powered by liquid fuel engines. The internal structure includes fuel tanks, rocket engines, guidance computers, and a post-boost vehicle that carries the warheads. The top section houses multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, commonly called MIRV, which separate in space and travel toward different targets. Despite the complexity, the internal layout is designed for reliability and precise control during long-distance intercontinental flight. The interior engineering focuses on guidance accuracy, payload deployment, and maintaining stability at hypersonic speeds. When it comes to performance, this is where the Sarmat truly becomes extraordinary. The missile is designed to travel up to approximately 18,000 kilometers, which means it can strike targets almost anywhere on Earth, depending on trajectory. According to technical data, the missile can carry more than 10 tons of payload, including multiple nuclear warheads or advanced hypersonic glide vehicles. Each missile may carry around 10 heavy nuclear warheads or up to 15 or 16 lighter MIRV, warheads that can independently strike separate targets. This means one missile can potentially attack multiple strategic locations simultaneously. The missile uses a guidance system combining inertial navigation, satellite navigation through GLONASS, and astro-inertial correction to maintain accuracy during flight. Its speed during the terminal phase can reach hypersonic levels, dramatically reducing the time available for missile defense systems to respond. Because it can also approach targets through unconventional trajectories, such as over the South Pole, it can bypass many existing missile defense systems designed primarily for northern attack routes. All these capabilities make the Sarmat a key part of Russia's long-range strategic deterrence. Safety and survivability features are also critical for a weapon of this scale. The missile's silo-based launch system is heavily fortified underground to protect it from enemy strikes. The cold launch mechanism helps reduce the risk of damage to the missile during launch by ejecting it before engine ignition. Additionally, the missile carries penetration aids and decoys designed to confuse enemy missile defense systems. These decoys mimic the signature of real warheads, forcing defensive systems to track multiple targets at once. Some configurations can also carry advanced hypersonic glide vehicles, such as Vanguard, which can maneuver at extreme speeds during re-entry, making interception even more difficult. Another design feature is the shortened boost phase of the rocket, meaning the engines burn for a shorter time during the initial launch stage. This reduces the window in which infrared satellites can detect and track the missile during launch, improving survivability against early warning systems. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Sarmat is its unique selling points. First is its enormous payload capacity, more than 10 tons, allowing it to carry a combination of nuclear warheads, decoys, and advanced glide vehicles. Second is its ability to deploy MIRV, which means one missile can strike multiple targets independently, dramatically increasing its strategic impact. Third is its ability to use unpredictable flight paths, including polar routes, which helps it avoid traditional missile defense networks. Fourth is its compatibility with hypersonic glide vehicles that can maneuver at extremely high speeds during atmospheric re-entry. Finally, the missile's overall design allows it to replace older Soviet-era heavy missiles, such as the R-36M, bringing modern guidance systems, improved penetration capabilities, and greater payload flexibility. These advantages make the Sarmat not just a missile, but a complete strategic platform designed to maintain nuclear deterrence in the modern era. Now let's talk about price. Exact costs for strategic nuclear missiles are rarely disclosed publicly because they are classified military programs. I cannot confirm the exact price of a single Sarmat missile because official verified figures have not been released publicly by the Russian government. However, strategic missile programs typically cost billions of dollars when development, infrastructure, and deployment are included. Large intercontinental ballistic missile programs involve research, testing, production facilities, silo construction, and command systems, making them among the most expensive military technologies in the world. Because of the secrecy surrounding nuclear weapons programs, any precise per missile cost estimate available online should be treated cautiously unless confirmed by official defense budgets. What makes the Sarmat truly shocking is not just its size or range, but its strategic purpose. Nuclear deterrence relies on the ability to guarantee retaliation in the event of an attack. The Sarmat is designed to ensure that even the most advanced missile defense systems cannot completely neutralize a nuclear strike capability. By combining massive payload capacity, multiple warheads, decoys, unpredictable trajectories, and potential hypersonic vehicles, this missile represents a new generation of strategic weapons built to remain effective even as missile defense technology evolves. So when you step back and look at the bigger picture, the RS-28 Sarmat is more than just another missile in a country's arsenal. It represents the continuing evolution of strategic nuclear deterrence in the modern world. With its enormous size, global range, multiple warhead capability, and advanced penetration technologies, it stands as one of the most powerful intercontinental ballistic missiles ever developed. For military analysts, it is a symbol of the ongoing technological competition between major powers. For the rest of the world, it is a reminder of how advanced and how dangerous modern weapons technology has become. And that's why the Sarmat missile continues to dominate discussions in global defense circles. Because when a single missile can travel across the planet and deliver multiple nuclear warheads with extreme precision, it changes how nations think about strategy, defense, and deterrence. If you found this deep dive into next-generation military technology fascinating, stay tuned to WarTech Vanguard because we will keep exploring the world's most powerful weapons, groundbreaking defense systems, and the technologies shaping the future of warfare.